Hi guys, this is the first long-form video. I normally shorts for the views. Now, I have not only I made this channel for fun, in reality. Also, I have other channels, but they're new channels. There's people that see my work and copyright the channel, or maybe even take down the show my blacks. You know what I mean? There's a lot of information in the process, but this is why I created this channel. Videos that I made, they got so many views, around like 1,000. Right? But now I'm starting a new channel. Anyway, I have every single weapon in the game. I stole my mom's credit card. Just kidding. I didn't know. I did not do that. I definitely did not steal my mom's credit card. I actually didn't, okay? I don't even know how to use a credit card. I actually got a Roblox gift card. Come on. Yeah, guys, that was my fault for not even fighting. Yes? Okay. Bro, that part is cool. Like, do you see that part where it's like spinning? See? It's about to come right here. Like, bro, that's so cool. I wish the spinning part was for longer, though. Timing, bro. My timing is crazy. I like to say the grenade launcher is only good in reality. It's really the best. Especially I'm just kind of hungry, yo. Because I feel like I'm dying of hunger. Like, you might be able to rumbling so much. How about we be super mean and kill him? Okay, never mind. He had a... Okay, then I'll be super mean. Huh? Okay, fine. Mini guy. Kill me because of him. Okay, that's it, boys. Yo, this rabbit is use the what am I doing? Oh my god, I'm so rude. Okay, wow. Ording. Yo, ording. You know why I'm doing this? I'm better than you. Yeah, I'm hungry. Okay, bye.